Hi, so yesterday I was feeling bad, angry, distracted, unfocused. And yeah, kind of I finished the 25k account, like the one that was in drawdown, and the other one went into slight drawdown. I really like made a failed start to my challenge, to be honest, because yeah, I was just trying to short USD 100, to be honest. So yeah, I had one thought yesterday that, oh my god, I'm like behaving the same way I did, almost the same way like I did in the beginning. I mean, not the same, but uh, in uh, in a way I have the same patterns, but maybe in a bit different expression. Anyways, the markets continue to be like really bad, and I couldn't find anything. I mean, there was a setup, as we see now on USD 100, but I just missed everything. All the other markets are like were rangy, except of maybe the stocks, but again, like they were pretty choppy. Having some setups now on USD 30, so we can just forward test because it's a bit too early to enter, maybe even too late, but maybe we can enter on Germany 30, by the way. Let's try. Can do it from here, maybe from here. Okay, so let's enter here on Germany 30. So we have this position. I will make it more exact later. Every other market, so gold is choppy, this one is choppy. So yeah, and it continues for third week in a row, and it really plays with my mind a lot. Yeah, EURUSD is starting some kind of stage 1 and holding internal structure, so maybe we will see some up movement, but overall it's really downwards facing market. Euro GBP going to the upside, and maybe something on NZD USD. Everything else is just rangy and choppy. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's quickly go through maybe MentFx sentiment and screener. Okay, so what do we have? Cut CHF to the downside. Maybe we can add it. Cut CHF. Let's see. Everything else is like 50-50 or unclear. Germany 30, pretty bullish. Yeah, everything else is like unclear. As you see here again, like bullish and bearish, so 50-50, nothing in clear bias. And the USD maybe something for bullish, and all the stocks are really bullish. Yeah, so they are basically the only clear market. Okay, so what I did like 5 minutes or something like that later is that I closed this one at break even just manually, because I mean technically we have this impulse correction impulse here, but it is overextended to almost impossible levels. So I mean, maybe we will have some move here, but then definitely it will break down, and it could break down pretty soon. So I will maybe update on this one, but yeah, I really don't believe it. So I mean, we could be starting something like this or like this, and then we make a move, but I don't want to participate. It's just too high up, too high up. Instead, I entered Euro USD here. Pretty clear right now. So daily is in this big range with weekly pushing to the bullish side and probably making this reaccumulation. If we look at this part of price action, daily reached the zone and starting some reaction here. For hours, this is still could be treated as a big reaccumulation. Not the clearest one, but that's fine. And we have 1 hour starting to build up. So again, on middle time frames, it's not so perfect as we would like it to be. However, again, let's say if this was a redistribution here, then it should continue. But instead, we are going to the upside. So maybe it's the end of stage 1. And combined with some higher time frame buys, we can expect some continuations, probably. So this is the position that is running right now. So this trade is developing. We had some news for Euro USD, but volatility is low. It's lunchtime London, so waiting for New York, expecting a loser. And if it will be a loser or break even, then I need to say fantastic, great, exactly as expected. And this trade that I had and closed at break even, yeah, it went to the downside. So expecting the break even level, which is here. This is the trade. So right now overall for the account in drawdown for $666. So if this trade, for example, could close with 3R, then I will be at break even. So let's see. Okay, move to break even here. Break even here, waiting for other setups to set up or just skip the day. Entered also on gold. So we have this build up on 5 minutes with reaccumulation that is confirmed. And now impulse correction and possible new impulse to take these highs and so on. However, the problem with this pattern is that we are like in the distribution and redistribution models on 4 hours, on 1 hour. Actually, on 4 hours, we are in unconfirmed reaccumulation here. And on daily, we are in a reaccumulation confirmed. That's all for now. So expecting a loss, and yeah.